The PV150 from Seawood revolutionises PV testing. It's much quicker and easier than traditional testers. We'll put that to the test and compare the PV150 to the traditional method using a multifunction tester and clamp meter. The clock starts when the system is isolated. In the small screen, we'll conduct the same tests using the traditional method of a multifunction tester and current clamp, so you can see how much quicker the PV150 really is. In the main screen, we set up the PV150 to measure the open circuit voltage, short circuit current and insulation resistance. Once the PV150 is set up, simply pressing the auto key will carry out all three tests automatically. The PV150 eliminates the need to short the circuit manually for the short circuit current test, making testing much quicker and safer. The PV150 has completed the open circuit voltage, short circuit current and insulation resistance tests in approximately 50 seconds. The results are displayed on the screen. Results are easily stored by pressing the Save key on the PV150, removing the risk of incorrectly recording results or even losing them, and ensuring complete traceability of testing. That's 3 tests conducted and the results recorded in under a minute. The PV150 enables results to be downloaded to a PC using Solarlink Elements software to create test reports and compile client handover packs. Using the PV150, the tests have been conducted, recorded and downloaded, and a test report completed. Meanwhile, the traditional method is taking much longer. That's 3 tests completed and downloaded in less than 1 minute. The PV150, revolutionising PV testing at the touch of a button.